welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Jules Martin. Today we're going to be going over a NAN workflow on invoice extraction. We're going to be using Google Drive, ChatGPT, Google Sheets. So sit back, relax, grab a coffee, and we're going to dive in. So before we get started, just wanted to give a quick shout out over at Motion. They inspired this video. Use their template, use the Google Sheets, but instead of using Slack that they use to trigger this workflow, I changed it up to use Google Drive. So definitely check out this video that will touch more on the code base that was used. We're just going to be going over a 30,000 foot view. I'm going to be going a little bit more over the Google Drive aspect of it, showing a couple invoices with a PDF and also a JPEG, and just showing my workflow of how you can adapt it for invoice processing for your company. So if you're a small business, this is going to save you a lot of time. Huge ROT, return on your time, which means saving money. So let's dive into this workflow. So it's broken down into a 4-step process. We're going to upload, detect, that's step number 1. Then we're going to be using smart extraction using ChatGPT. You can either extract from an image or a PDF. So it's going to route it based on the file type. If it ends in the PDF extension, it's going to go towards the extract PDF text on the bottom. If it's a JPEG, PNG type image, it's going to go up top to the extract from image. So a couple different ChatGPT based on the amount of tokens that we'll dive into and kind of show you the behind the scenes, what models we're using for this one, what's the pricing using OpenAI's API, and then show you kind of the end-to-end process, dragging and dropping a couple different types of invoices and seeing the end results, seeing how this could save you time, have supporting documentation that is key during any type of audits. I have 15 years of audit experience. I'm a certified fraud examiner, so I know what they're looking for. And it all comes down to having documentation and support, which I saw a lot of companies, they just lacked. They would have numbers in a spreadsheet, but their bookkeeping process did not have the supporting documentation. With this system, it's going to be a quick drag and drop where it's going to save your documents, your invoices in a folder that you can quickly, they audit that transaction. You can easily pull up the link to the document and show that support. That's key during any type of audits. Let's get started with the first node, which is going to be the Google Drive. So we're going to head to the Google Drive. I actually use, this is for my own business. So I'm using this workflow to save me time on processing the invoices that I have for my consulting business. So here within Google Sheets and Google Drive is you're going to just set up your folders. So here I have a folder for the invoices, and also when they're processed, that the invoices will get moved over. So I have a couple different examples. This one we're going to use with the PDF. Has a couple different items on it, a Raspberry Pi, power supply that bought from Amazon. So let's give this a try. Let's drag and drop our document into our Google Drive, and then we're going to kick off our workflow. Like that, it's that simple. You just drag and drop your document. Then you can head over to NAN. With the PDF, I'm going to walk you through what's going to happen. So once you upload it, it's going to be triggered by any changes to the folder or file creation. So you add a file, that's going to trigger the workflow. NAN is going to download that file, detect if it's a PDF, if it's an image like a JPEG or PNG, and then route it. So this example, it's a PDF document. It's going to extract the PDF text, process it through the OpenAI PDF processor, parse out that invoice data using JavaScript, and then update the Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet right here, where we can get the invoice number, the vendor, the date, the due date, description, subtotal, tax, total, status, the email, and the file link. So all that information to have an audit trail, audit support to make your life a breeze when a year from now, 2 years from now, if IRS comes in knocking, hey, you're ready. You got your Google Sheet. You're ready to go. Bring it on, I like to tell people. So here with the file link, this is where you have direct access to your documents in your Google Drive. And this is a lifesaver, that you know exactly where your files are and all the details behind it. And that's what's key for having supporting documentation. All right, so let's kick off this workflow. We got PDF in our Google Drive, and let's watch what happens. We execute the workflow. It's downloading the file, it detects it, so it routes it through the PDF text, going through the OpenAI PDF processor, parses out the information, updates our Google Sheets, and then moves the file to our process invoice. That happened in under 10 seconds, where this could take us 5 minutes, 10 minutes per invoice, where, hey, we just got to drag and drop. So it's that simple of having an automated process using AI to save you time and money. Let's look at some of the inputs that we can see here. So here, you're gonna get the metadata from your document. So here we got the Amazon invoice. So here, that's where the file extension's a PDF. It's going to detect it as a PDF document, and then it routes it through our PDF conversion. So going through the OpenAI processor, it's going to extract key information. So let's peek in to our prompt. Again, check out the motion video. It's going to be in the show notes from Jason, his template, and his video, that they'll go over more of how this was developed. But today, we're just going to give a quick peek under the hood. So here, this is where we're getting our structured information. We're going to say, hey, the output format, as we went over in our Google Sheet, is getting that invoice number, the vendor, the date, the due date, the total, the subtotal, all that information from here. We extracted that, and then we're going to parse out that information here into that structured format to then get inputted into our Google Sheet. So let's head over to the Google Sheet and see how did it do. All right, so we have our invoice right here. We got our invoice number. So let's check a look at 114. So yep, we can see it got the number right. It got our two vendors here from Amazon. We got Memory Wiz, I Like Her. So it picked up those, the due date of the invoice, which was July 30th. And this is the key one, the description. What is your information? You put this into your QuickBooks, you're like, I don't have a clue what this was for, the $142. Now you got a detailed description that OpenAI was able to take out. Let's check out the $150.51 paid, and this is the key one. Having this link peeking into our document, this is the lifesaver right here. We have all that information. So let's now use an image example. So this is a very common one, especially for small businesses, is, hey, say you buy something in person, you get an actual receipt. My process, I use my iPhone, take a photo of it, save it as a JPEG, and have it saved on my phone. So now that I have the Google Drive set up, I can now just drag and drop that document. Let's do that. We're going to take our invoice for supplies. We can drag and drop it. We'll execute our workflow. So watch what happens now. Now it's going through the image extraction process. So it was a JPEG, so it's going to route it through that other route. So it's very flexible. PDFs, JPEGs, PNG, all those different type of files that you're going to encounter during your business. So this is where that magic happens. So let's go over to our Google Sheet and let's see how it did. So here we can see we have our vendor, we got their invoice number, the date, that description, $19.05. And we have that file link. And we can see our invoices in there for Micro Center. You can check $19.05. So wow. In just a couple seconds is you have your audit support, everything you need to be audit ready. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about what OpenAI model we use for this workflow. This is where you're going to have a lot of choices. For your model with NAN is you can select from a list. You can use the ChatGPT. So here I use ChatGPT-4o Mini. And the reason for that, it processes text really well. And from the cost side, it's one of the least expensive ones. So over at OpenAI's API documentation, they have a pricing sheet. And I'll throw this in the show notes below so you have it as a reference. Let's go over, say for example, if you use GPT-5, the cost for that is for an input of 1 million tokens is you're looking at $1.25, and then the output is $10. Keep in mind is each invoice, if it routes it through the image, you're looking at 20,000 tokens. So for one invoice, you're not looking at 1 million tokens per invoice. You're looking at a couple thousand, especially if it's a PDF. So for the 100 plus invoices I've processed so far, I've only been billed 8 cents. So it's very cheap, inexpensive. That's where the GPT-4o Mini is for 1 million tokens. For the input, you're at 15 cents. And then for the output, 60 cents. You're looking at fractions of a penny to process each invoice. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. It's very inexpensive to handle hundreds or even thousands of invoices. You'd be just looking at a couple dollars a month versus paying someone a full salary. That's going to add up. That's where you're going to have that return on investment. And if you're a solo entrepreneur or have a small team of people, it's going to save a lot of time to focus on other aspects of your business, not having to deal with the bookkeeping. I love it because I'm an auditor, but I know for most small businesses, this is the pain point of your business is the documentation, the bookkeeping. It's like, I want to focus on what I love, and I gotcha. So this is where automation, AI is changing the game, saving you time, saving you money, and letting you focus on what you love and what matters most to your business. All right, so we talked about the OpenAI model. Let's look at the billing. Like I said, I'm looking at 4 cents for all those invoices I've processed so far for the total amount of tokens. I'm only been for about 67 invoices I processed is 214,000 tokens. So not getting up to that 1 million token yet, but keep in mind, if you're using the GPT-4o Mini, is you're paying fractions of a penny to process each invoice. And it's doing it in under 10 seconds. Definitely, you can put $5 of credit in OpenAI, and that will last you months and months of invoice processing. So it's not where it's going to cost you millions. Like you hear in the news, to train these models cost millions and billions of dollars. But for us as small businesses using these models, it's going to cost you a fraction of a penny. But just keep in mind, just know the model you're using and just check out that pricing guide. And then occasionally, hey, monitor your spend rate. All right, so we talked about the workflow. We looked at Google Drive. We looked at how it routed. What you're saying is, I use Microsoft. So our next video, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Excel. How could you use OneDrive to perform this process? So definitely check out that video, and we'll see you next time.